It's the time to get down.
A different group.
Man.
Different group.
What a day. I want to thank our guests today. What a day it's been, and mainly because of the people that come here and make this show happen. Always, Jesse Lewis.
What up, man?
My brother, man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Bringing us the hot gossip.
Yeah.
Can't get that.
And let me just say that I'm really not gay. I play a character.
I thought that was it.
So
I seen you in the macho state.
yeah, Disney, Nickelodeon still call me. I'm not a cocksucker. I can be cool. I can be a Jew. I'm half. I'm good. I got the, I'm good.
And so, Jesse, thank you, Jesse, for coming out. And then,
Yes.
our musical guests, performer, artist, rapper, Crunch, and the crew.
Oh,
Team
bam,
Marlo.
damn,
Come
bam.
on, y'all, go buy this,
That's
man.
it.
Go buy this.
Man.
iTunes.
Yes, sir. That's
Go
it.
get it.
What's the name of the CD?
Crunch.
Okay,
Man.
Self-titled.
8 or 11. Right?
I'm gonna have to give this one a 15.
Yeah,
We like that one. That's it. Yes, sir.
All right, you guys. So,
Again, my email crunchit11@yahoo.com. Yeah.
Kids don't smoke weed.
tell them again, Crunch. Make sure.
Do not smoke weed,
Crunch
kids.
crunchit11@yahoo.com, and also that clothing line again. What's the name of it again?
Laguna Beach.
Laguna Beach jeans. Get at me.
Give a nigga an email. He's dangerous.
True Religion. Get at me.
Oh, man.
Whoever, shit. Levi, get at me. Fuck it. Marshalls, get at me.
All sponsors, get at me.
That's right. We tell a pimp this video.
Here we go.
Jesse, anything for them for next week? Anything coming up with you next week that we know about?
Just
They have to wait and see. Huh?
gotta wait and see. It's more morning coffee.
I'm telling you, it's crazy mofo.
Get
All
your
right.
shit
I got
on.
one more thing. Right now, a show is being prepared with DJ Quick, and I will be opening for DJ Quick in Long Beach, and it's going to be in January.
What's the name of the venue?
The name of the venue is the name of the venue when they find it.
Hell no.
Everything together.
Bitch better have my money.
Nigga shit.
He will be performing in Long Beach. Right now, it's going down.
That's it.
That's it, you guys. It's been a good day.
All right, everybody.
We're gonna be
Morning
here
coffee, baby.
tomorrow
That's right.
morning. Mario Show. Do what you like or like
Yeah,
what
we're
you
going to
do, man.
start out with this track. Again, give you something like the Creative Commons, folks. Nobody got my DNA. Enjoy this. We'll see you tomorrow.
Peace. Bam.
Nobody.
Yeah, soda, that would be me. Got me thinking about putting down the mic one day, then I get some more love. Thanks for the love you gotta play. Hey, what can I say? I'm a Leo to the finish, man. I love God, so my faith won't diminish, man. Once I step up to the mic, I speak truth. Hip hop wasn't designed to expose the black youth, but somewhere along the lines we dropped the ball, yeah. I mean that man in the mirror, yeah, that ball dude. But now I'm back to right the wrongs of my past world. So let me walk this off my wrist like my name's Earl. Articulate my thoughts clearly like Professor Les. Do you remember Rap City with Deja and Les? I'm looking at the front door, bless the main source. You fool, yeah, wait till I hit you with the main course. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. Shit alone. You like my raps, but really I write songs. I like to do it like this once in a while to show some versatility and make you all smile. It's been a long time coming, I know, I feel it too. The more I take a break, it's like the more I break through. With my timeless bass boy funk, I'm on point. You bless this microphone every time I anoint the pen and pad. I face the bad head on. Escape inside the music, see my diary's a song. It's on till I write my next verse, then I go again into the studio. I feel I gotta flow again. This ain't just music to me, it's like my recipe. To be honest, it's more creative tranquility. This ain't just music to me, it's like my recipe. To be honest, it's more creative tranquility. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. I was spitting when you was a kid. You doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. They say they get me, I don't think they ever got me. My name's Kowalski, but they call me Kawasaki. Online of funds, but in real life, I'm more like Chachi or Cola. I told you, I'm funky like granola. Bars, can't you see that I'm a star? Who pumps his own gas in the cold really fast? As I pass on your gold digging stash, I'd rather make my own money, not advance me loan money. No, I was spitting when you was a kid. You doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. I was spitting when you was a kid. You doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my money's grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. So there you have it. Nobody's got my DNA.